Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to disable Stories notifications on Messenger. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by constant pings and pop-ups from Messenger Stories, this quick method will help you regain some peace and quiet. First, start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Everything we need to change will be found right here. Next, scroll down and look for the option called Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the applications installed on your device. From there, find and select Messenger. This is where you can control all of its details, including permissions, storage, and most importantly, notifications. Once you're inside Messenger's settings, tap on the section labeled Notifications. This is where Messenger organizes all different types of alerts it can send you. But instead of turning everything off, we're going to focus only on the category we don't want, Stories. Now tap on Notification Categories. Here, you'll see a breakdown of different types of notifications Messenger uses, such as messages, calls, and stories. This setup gives you control over each one individually, so you don't have to silence the entire app. From this list, find Stories and toggle it off. By switching this option off, Messenger will completely stop sending you notifications whenever someone posts a story. It's quick, effective, and doesn't interfere with your regular messages or calls. And that's it. With just a few simple taps, you've turned off Stories notifications while keeping the rest of Messenger's features running as usual. This way, you can still stay connected through chats and calls, but without unnecessary distractions from stories you may not want to see in real time. If you ever change your mind, you can simply follow the same path back into Messenger's notification settings and switch the Stories option back on. Thanks for watching.